Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion to sync meeting notes from Google Calendar. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update Notion for syncing meeting notes from Google Calendar, start by opening your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page where you want to keep your meeting notes. Click on the plus icon or type / to open the block menu. Select Database and then choose Table Inline for a new table. Define the columns for your table, such as date, meeting title, and notes. Now, open a new tab in your web browser and sign into your Google. Locate the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Under the Settings menu, select Integrate Calendar. At this point, find the secret address in icon format and copy the URL. Return to your Notion workspace and click on in the top right corner of your page. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Choose Add Integration and give it a name, such as Google Calendar Sync. Next, paste the icon URL you copied into the integration settings. Set the appropriate permissions for this integration. Now, go back to your Notion table. Open the Properties menu and add a date property if you haven't yet. Link this property to the meeting dates from your Google Calendar. Click on the Sync option to enable linking between Notion and Google Calendar. Test the synchronization by adding a meeting in Google Calendar. Return to your Notion page and refresh to see if the meeting appears in your table. If the entry appears, your Notion is successfully synced with Google Calendar. Adjust any further settings as necessary to customize how meeting notes appear. You're all set. Now your meeting notes will sync seamlessly from Google Calendar to Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.